Expert Financial Analysis. Hi, I'm Diego, and I will be providing these online tutorials. They consist of high-quality content for anyone who wants to become an expert in financial data analysis. Main topic areas covered are financial analysis and data science. Within financial analysis, focus is made on computational finance, quantitative finance, and trading strategies analysis. Within data science, emphasis is made on machine learning, applied statistics, and econometrics. Main analysis tools used are Microsoft Excel, R statistical software, and Python programming language. For more information, feel free to take a look at EXFINSIS website by clicking the link at the description box below. These tutorials have an educational and informational purpose and don't constitute any type of forecasting, business, trading, or investment advice. Please pause the video now so you can read the full tutorial's disclaimer.